Today in this video we're going to look at the best saltwater fishing rods for beginners. If you're interested in any of the products we talked about today, you can find the links down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Pusino Fishing Rod. Looking for the perfect fishing gear that's easy to carry, versatile, and durable? This all-in-one fishing kit is designed to take your angling adventures to the next level, whether you're a novice or a seasoned traveler. Packed with everything you need, including 2 fishing rods, 2 reels, fishing lines, various lures, hooks, and essential accessories, this set comes with a convenient carrier bag to keep everything organized. It's a hassle-free way to start fishing right away without needing to purchase additional gear. The rods boast a perfect blend of elasticity and durability, thanks to their high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass construction. This makes them strong enough to handle decent-sized fish while remaining sensitive enough to detect bites. The stainless steel hooded reel seat resists seawater corrosion, while the EVA 4 grip ensures comfort during long fishing sessions. Plus, the telescopic design makes them incredibly portable, fitting easily into suitcases or carry-on bags, perfect for vacations or spontaneous fishing trips. The reels are built for performance, featuring instant anti-reverse and power drive gears for high strength. The deep aluminum spool with a double-color design and one line hole provides a large line capacity for various fishing scenarios. With a gear ratio of 5.2:1, the model HA 3000 ensures smooth operation and reliability. While these rods have proven durable for over a year of use, occasional maintenance, such as checking the guide ring inserts, ensures they stay in top shape. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, this kit is a reliable companion. Its compact, travel-friendly design and robust construction make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to combine convenience and quality. Gear up for your next fishing adventure and experience the joy of catching fish with confidence and ease. Number 4. Ugly Stick Elite Fishing Rod. Looking for a fishing rod that's as tough as your passion for the sport? This rod is designed to deliver strength, sensitivity, and durability, all wrapped in a sleek, lightweight package. Perfect for anglers who value performance over flash, this rod combines a classic feel with modern upgrades, making every fishing trip a true adventure. Whether you're targeting small catches or tackling bigger challenges, this rod is ready to stand up to anything the water throws at you. Built with 35% more graphite than its predecessor, this rod achieves the perfect balance of strength and lightweight construction. Its premium cork handle not only looks great but also provides a comfortable, slip-resistant grip for those long fishing sessions. The 2-piece design and medium power rating make it versatile and easy to transport, while the fast action tip offers excellent sensitivity for detecting even the slightest nibbles. The iconic clear tip design ensures unbeatable strength where it matters most. Durability is at the core of this rod, featuring ugly tough 1-piece stainless steel guides that resist corrosion and eliminate insert pop-outs during rough use. The cushioned stainless steel hood reel seat offers a secure fit and added comfort, ensuring your reel stays protected. With a 6 14-pound line rating and a lure capacity of 1, 4 and 5/8 ounces, it's ready for a variety of fishing situations. Plus, it's backed by an impressive 7-year warranty, so you can fish with confidence. Number 3. Sugailong Fishing Rod. Ready to make every fishing trip a breeze? This all-in-one fishing kit is designed for anglers who want convenience, durability, and performance rolled into one. Perfect for fishing enthusiasts on the go, it comes with a carbon fiber telescopic rod, a smooth-performing reel, essential accessories, and even a carrier bag to keep everything organized. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this combo is your ticket to fishing anytime, anywhere. The fishing rod is a marvel of modern engineering, crafted with high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass to deliver a perfect balance of strength and lightweight portability. Its hard and lightweight guide rings are made with SIG ceramic, ensuring better heat dissipation and reduced friction for smoother line movement. Secured with advanced epoxy resin, the guide rings stay solid and dependable even under rigorous use. The reel is a game changer, boasting 13+1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings and precision-matched gears for ultra-smooth operation. With a powerful 5.5:1 gear ratio, it's built to handle any fishing challenge with ease. The CNC machined aluminum handle is interchangeable for right or left-handed use, while the aerospace-grade aluminum honeycomb spool offers strength and lightweight efficiency. The EVA knob ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip, even during long fishing sessions. Number 2. Fiblink Surf Fishing Rod. If you're passionate about surf fishing and need a rod that blends strength, sensitivity, and portability, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. Designed for surf anglers who demand performance and reliability, this rod delivers exceptional casting power and responsiveness, whether you're fishing off the rocks, the beach, or the surf. Lightweight yet strong, it's crafted to make every cast feel effortless and every catch rewarding. Built with a high-quality carbon fiber blade, this rod offers unmatched sensitivity and strength, letting you feel even the subtlest bites while standing up to the power of larger fish. Its stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts ensure smooth line movement, reducing friction and preventing sticking during long casts. Plus, these guides are spaced perfectly for optimal performance and heat dissipation, enhancing your fishing experience every time. The design prioritizes comfort and durability. A stainless steel reel seat with tapered hood transitions keeps your reel secure, while the textured shrink tube fore and rear grips provide a comfortable hold, even in wet conditions. The rubber butt caps add extra convenience, ensuring a stable and sturdy grip during long battles with big catches. Number 1. Sugealong Carbon Fiber Fishing Rod. Fishing made simple, versatile, and portable. This all-in-one fishing kit has everything you need to elevate your fishing experience. Whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned angler, this full kit, complete with a fishing rod, reel, line, lures, hooks, and essential accessories, all neatly packed in a carrier bag, is your ultimate companion for any fishing adventure. It's designed to let you fish anytime, anywhere, with ease and reliability. Crafted with high-density 24-ton carbon fiber reinforced with fiberglass composite, the telescopic rod offers incredible power, elasticity, and durability. Whether casting monofilament, fluorocarbon, or braided lines, the welded stainless steel guides with zirconium oxide rings ensure smooth, accurate, and long-distance casting while minimizing heat buildup for superior performance. Paired with an exquisite, corrosion-resistant CNC machined aluminum reel seat, this rod is built to last through countless fishing trips.